Hello friends, welcome to PrepMate classes. This is the follow-up lecture on endangered species. In this lecture, we will discuss about the important endangered marine animals, birds and reptiles in India. Let us consider them one by one.
Gangetic or Suzu dolphin. It is the national aquatic animal of India. It is also known as dolphin Suzu or Shushuk.
It is a freshwater dolphin. Freshwater dolphins are rare while saltwater ones are in large numbers. It is found in Ganga and Brahmaputra. Its presence indicates the pollution level in Ganga. Its present population is nearly 2000. It is under threat due to the following factors: river water pollution, siltation in river, entanglement in fishing nets, reduction in river flow due to construction of dams, poaching for its oil. Sea cow, dugong. It is found in the Gulf of Mannar, Tamil Nadu. Its front side has an appearance of a cow. It survives by eating sea grass, a marine flowering plant. Its existence is under threat due to destruction of sea grass by fishing trawlers. Let us learn about some of the endangered bird species. Bengal florican. It is a bustard subspecies known for its mating dance. Bustard is the species of birds. Male attracts females through dance for mating purpose. Bengal florican is found in UP, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Siberian crane. It migrates from Siberian region to Ghana National Park, Rajasthan during winter months. It is also called Siberian white crane or snow crane due to whitish appearance. Because of destruction of their habitats, its population has disappeared in India. Flamingo. These are also migratory birds. They arrive in Western Ghats from various places. They are reddish in appearance. Pelican. It is also a migratory bird. It is a bird which prefers water bodies such as large lakes. Let us now learn about some of the endangered reptiles. Olive ridley turtle. It is a sea turtle which has a nesting site in Bhitarkanika and Gahirmatha, Odisha. On account of the interference in coastal environment, lesser number of turtles are arriving at the coast to lay eggs. Saltwater crocodile. It survives in marine environment and is found in India in Sundarbans, Bhitarkanika and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Ghadial. The ghadial is also known as the gay whale. It is fish-eating crocodile. It is critically endangered reptile species. According to IUCN, nearly 250 ghadials are present in the wild. Ghadial, also known as long-nosed crocodile, is the longest living species of crocodiles in the world. Chambal Wildlife Sanctuary, located on River Chambal in the state of Madhya Pradesh, is home to ghadials. The sanctuary is near the tri-point of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Let us attempt some of the UPSC prelims past year questions. 2015 prelims. Which one of the following is the national aquatic animal of India? Option C, Gangetic dolphin, is the correct answer. 2017 prelims. If you want to see ghadials in their natural habitat, which one of the following is the best place to visit? Option B, Chambal River, is the correct answer.
For best learning, you can watch this video along with PrepMate's Engage UPSC series, which is available online as well as offline. Book features. Complete subject in a single book with practice and past year questions at the end of the chapters. Model answers for UPSC mains from authors. Using the application PrepMate and web portal prepmate.in, you can access comprehensive digital support in form of videos, mock prelims, answer writing practice and regular updates.